Party Foundation Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm today at Mumbai Bharatiya Janata Party office. Pasant Smriti Dadar, Mumbai BJP President and MLA Mr. Mangal Prabhat Lodha hosted the party flag at the main gate of the party office and garlanded the photo of the party founders in the office. Bhupen Singh Hooda said that instead of joining hands with the farmer, the government is fighting pawns with them. Government should abandon its habit of imposing its failure in the opposition introspection. Hooda said that farmers are being harassed in the mandis in the name of registration, moisture and misting. People of Haryana are getting very expensive BJP, JJP government. Government policies are pushing people into the gap of inflation and poverty. The NIA has seized a high-end bike suspected to be registered in the name of an alleged Women's Associate of API. Sachin Waze, arrested for his alleged role in planting the explosive Sladin SUV near industrialist Mukesh Ambani's residence, an official said on Monday. The Hamare Desh program was successfully organized by Rajasthani Samaj of Mumbai under the leadership of Srimati Manju Mangal Prabhat Lodha, a well-known social worker and author of Paramveer Award Diary. The chief guest of this online event organized on the occasion of Rajasthan Day was Srimati Ruma Devi, a well-known social worker of Rajasthan. A year ago, 40-year-old Zari worker Shaligram Yadav had fled the lockdown after spending rupees 3,000 for a spot on a packed bus headed from Mumbai to Sultanpur. The International Monetary Fund on Tuesday projected an impressive 12.5% growth rate for India in 2021, stronger than that of China, the only major economy to have positive growth rate last year during the COVID-19 pandemic. India and Russia's top diplomats sidestepped questions on the pending delivery of Moscow's controversial weapon system to New Delhi and vowed to deepen military technical cooperation following a meeting in New Delhi Thursday. Nawazuddin Siddiqui's daughter Shora recently recreated a hook step from the actor's latest song Barish Ki Jaye, and turns out she is a fan of dancing.